Okay, West Fork whiskey fans, it's time for round two. So we're going to keep going with these cocktails. We've got two different styles. So the last one we did is old-fashioned basis, so you're mostly going to mix those in the glass. This one's a little bit different, so you want to shake it so that way it kind of activates all of those citric acids and juices. We've got 5 different styles. We just launched a brand new one today, and we thank you all for your support that you've been doing so far. They've been going extremely well, and we've enjoyed every single bit of this. We want to keep this rolling. We have new ones launching out probably every other day or probably once a week coming soon. So stay tuned for how this is going to go. We're all still in isolation, so I'm pretty sure we're all going to be drinking a lot. So easiest way, we're going to shake this one at home. So easy instructions, we're going to do the dancing queen on this one. You've got 1.5 ounces of the whiskey, but we're going to start with the elixir. You can go anywhere between 1.5 ounces to 2. So I'm going to bump that up to 2 ounce pour on there. Put that in there. Our all or nothing corn whiskey. You can mix with whatever you like, but we prefer with this one. It's got a little bit of a vanilla note in there. 1.5 in there. So everything's all done. So now you're just going to add some ice. Give this a nice little shake. Right into the glass. And you have a lovely dancing queen. If you want to get a little fancy, you can finish it off with a lemon peel. Be very careful at home while you're doing a peeling. These will find your finger if you do look away. And there, you have a delicious dancing queen. If for at home you also don't have the ability to shake, my best option with these types of mixers, just toss it back and forth between 2 different cups to make sure that liquid kind of gets all nice and diluted and activated. You want it to be nice and refreshing. So thank you so much for this joining. You guys have a wonderful day.